In this video, I'm going to do the tutorial 1 for Econ 101. So let's get to it. The first question is, define what the PPF, also known as a production possibilities frontier, is. Now, whenever you get this question, there's like a definition, right? So it shows the boundary between those goods that can be produced and those combination of goods that can't be produced, right? So what you can produce in the business and what you can't produce. But you'll see that just now as we get later into the video what that means. So how does a production possibility frontier, which is this, illustrate scarcity? Anytime you get this question, you must say that it illustrates scarcity because we can't attain the points outside the PPF. So you see D over there, you can't attain it. It's impossible, right? You can't do it. So that illustrates scarcity, right? Third one, how does the PPF illustrate opportunity cost? So you can see this shape over here as like an outward shape. This illustrates opportunity cost because if there was no opportunity cost, this will just be a straight line going like this, okay? But because it's going like this, that's how it illustrates opportunity cost, because the more of these products you produce, the less of these products, as you can see, that's why you're going down, you produce, right? So if you want more of X, you have to give up Y. So that's how that shape basically illustrates opportunity cost. So what is allocative efficiency and how does it relate to the PPF? Now, anytime you get allocative efficiency, it means that it's any point on this PPF. Now, what I mean on this PPF, see this blue line? Any point over there, like B or A, that means being allocative efficient, right? Now, how does it relate to the PPF? Well, it's those points that lie on the PPF that are both attainable and most importantly, it's efficient, right? When you're on the PPF, you're very efficient. Fifth one, what is the condition should be satisfied if resources are used efficiently? Now, if your resources are used efficiently, you should be on the PPF, right? So what happens when you're on the PPF? Well, you can't, basically, whenever you want more of X, you have to give up Y. So when you get to a point where you have to give up something in order to get more of something, then you are basically using a resource efficiently, right? So that's the answer. Part B, okay. Question 6. Briefly explain the difference between C and D and what are the implications of producing at these points. First question, what is the difference between C and D? Right. C over here is attainable. You can get whatever that is, you know. But the problem is you're not using resources efficiently, right? If you have all the resources to make the products to be over here, why are you so lazy that you're only producing this, okay? However, D means you can't attain it no matter what. It's impossible, right? So what is the implication of producing at these points? Number one, if you produce at this point C, it will basically, using your resource inefficiently, you're not reusing your resources to the full capacity. So you're losing out on an opportunity to be more efficient in your business. And what? D. Well, D is impossible. So regardless, you can't produce it no matter what. So what is the economic reason for the bowed out concave shape? So basically determined by the shape. I told you this. It's because of the opportunity cost. You can't get increased one good production without giving up another. Okay, so number 8. If the economy were to produce 3 pizzas, 15 cold drinks, what type of production will be experiencing? 3 and 15. So this is on the PPF, right? 3 and 15. So it'll be allocative efficiency, right? Yeah, allocative efficiency. Any point on the PPF means you're doing production allocative efficiently. Okay, as economy increases, production of pizza along the production process, what happens to the opportunity cost of cold drink? As seen over here, the more pizzas, okay, the more pizzas you produce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're giving up more. See, 20, 18, 15. You're giving up 2 over here. You're giving up 3 over here. You're giving up 5 over here. So as you increase your production of pizza, you're giving up more. Okay, so multiple choice question. Production possibilities frontier. It'll be show the combination of goods that are attainable with the given resources. That's the answer. 10. If an economy is producing efficiently, the answer will be C. More of one product can only be produced if less of another product is produced. You can see that in the bowed out shape of the PPF. 11. The principle of diminishing returns implies that, I'll say it's C. It's the additional benefit from obtaining one or more units of good decreases as more is consumed. So marginal benefit, if you have to draw the, basically it's like a curve, a graph that shows it. So if you draw, it goes like this. So the more you consume, the more less it gets, right? The way I like to think about this is food. At first, you're very, very hungry. So having that one food, as soon as you eat it, it's very good. But as you go on, it decreases because you get full. Okay? So that's like marginal benefit. Diminishing marginal. Now, what is marginal benefit? I'll say C. It's the benefit of consuming one more unit of good and increases production of the good increase. So basically, it's like the additional benefit of basically having one more unit of good, right? So it's C. Okay, so that's part 1 of the tutorial of Econ 101. That's it for today.